Okay, I think these ones are going to be more flexible and easier to install. So do you want to grab the applicator thing out? These were more expensive because of the Termite bifenthrin that was injected into them. Bifenthrin is supposed to last 3 to 5 years in the soil, but these are only given 2 years to deter termites. So that's probably a bit of a gimmick, saying that it's going to be termite proof, because you could probably get the same effect without it being infused with bifenthrin. That's not too easy to push in either, is it? No, we're going to try another. That one's already taken. Try one of these ones up here. I think these ones are a little bit wider. Push that one in. The girl in the video made it look really easy.
Yeah.
You shouldn't have to have wider weep holes than these ones. Okay, let me have a go.